like to enter Megiddo? Yeah. Come in. We'll put the kettle on.
Cool.
What is above this beginning line reconstructed, but everything below that line of cement up there is authentic, right? These are the great gateways. These were 2 stories high with sentry guards guarding the entrance into Megiddo. And if you just turn around, you can see, as we climbed up, that we dominate the valley, that great valley we talked about of Jezreel from here. And this is the way you would have come in to the city 3,800 years ago. That's before the time of Solomon. We haven't got to Solomon's Gate yet. This is Middle Bronze time. This is more ancient. This is like Canaanite kings. You would have come in this way. So let's go and do that. Yes, yeah. Just like today, there would have been security at the gates, checking you, asking if you had any weapons.
What reason you had for coming into this?
Yeah. What are you about?
What business are you about today?
Exactly.
The only weapon we have is
Now, yeah, we said we better not say that. We might get the wrong idea because